mounted some carbon composite handlebars from Twisted Engineering. I am 50 years old and not affiliated with Twisted Engineering in any way. I usually, or have been using flex bars because my wrists and elbows have been sore during enduros here on the East Coast with the East Coast Enduro Association series for several years, and I've been using a set of flex bars here for about 2 years now, and really like them. The only thing I don't like about them is their weight. So with the hand guards and everything you see here, this is about 5¼ pounds. I weighed the Twisted Engineering bars with the hand guards and a grip on this side, and it was 2 pounds with the hand guards, so a savings of 3¼ pounds, which was similar in weight to the Pro Taper contour bars that I have been using in the past with hand guards. So a savings of 3¼ pounds. The beauty of these bars is that they flex. I don't know if you can see it. They don't seem to flex quite as much as the flex bars with the yellow internal elastomer and red outer elastomer, but I can definitely feel them flexing. The ends of the bars have some type of aluminum or metallic coating, so it's not all carbon fiber. It stops about right here to the end of the bar, and then under the bar clamps there's the same material. Hopefully you can see it here, where it's still black and coated, but it's definitely a different material and it's fused in. The hand guards are really trick. They clamp onto the outside diameter of the bar because it is almost solid. Inside the bar there's a very small hole, but nothing that you could sink a screw in or anything to hold the end of the bars. The bark busters are also unusual because they have a pivot point here. I am using the Fastway top mount because I use a Scott's damper on the top. If you don't use that, they sell these fairly trick top clamps that have a hole in the end. It's threaded, so they go on top of the bar, and then a bolt with the bushings go in here. So as you can see, I've bent the bars down a little bit to fit with the Fastways because they're about an inch and a half wider than it would be with this system here. I really like the Sano nature of the bars. Nice and clean, and we're going to test them out in an enduro here tomorrow, September the 16th, 2012 at the Moonshine Enduro, and see how they work. This is the post-race report for the Twisted Engineering Composi-flex bars. The bars performed excellently. Absolutely no problems with the bars. My wrists and elbows after the race felt great, just like with the flex bars, which are much heavier. I noticed that the front end was lighter. Steering was just a little bit quicker with the Composi-flex bars from Twisted Engineering. I fully tested the bars, smashed into a lot of trees, cartwheeled the bike down a rocky trail, went over the handlebars, and had absolutely no problems with the bars. I did have this bark buster rotate up when I laid the bike down, and slid along the ground during the race. However, at a gas stop, I tightened up the end fastener really tight. I hadn't done that when I first installed the bark busters because I was concerned about the tension here on the end of the bars, but that definitely cured the problem, and I didn't have the either bark buster rotating up during the rest of the race, and even with hitting trees. So they performed excellently. I'm extremely happy with the bars. They are going to be my bars of choice